All right, guys, I made a change to the pre-flight indicator. I want to show you the way it originally was out of the box, version 1.21. Now the updated version is going to be 2.0, and I've done something with this, and you'll see the changes. I'll be right back. There it goes, pre-flight 2.0. So 2.0 is going to add and delete a couple things. Number one, it deleted this box. I took a screenshot of it and kept it here. If you didn't know, you can screenshot images, and as long as your object tree, you can paste images in here. So this is what was missing. My gut tells me we turned that off and you never looked at it again. So what I did in the 2.0 version is I added two things. Number one, you see it first here. Which day of the week are we on based off the RTH session there? I think that's pretty handy. Once again, where are we at is the primary purpose behind the pre-flight indicator. And then I have a notes box. And so you come in here, scroll to the bottom. Here's the day of the week. If you want that on or off, you can turn that on or off, and it'll turn the days of the week on or off. And you can also turn notes on or off. And then you can make these notes appear wherever you want. You can make the days of the week top or bottom. And so what I was doing is I was just simply retyping out some of the pre-flight checklist stuff. You can put anything in here you want. So now you can customize this little box to your heart's content. Maybe you want to put in here just notes to yourself. I don't know, trade small, use your leverage metrics, perfect entry. Maybe you put what your leverage metrics is down here. You can customize this note field however you want and put it down there in the bottom right, and I think that's the proper location probably to have that. So that is a little change that I think is a very nice change to the pre-flight indicator that you get as being a member of microstrader.com.